One of the easiest ways to get started with Definite is to drop a CSV into the canvas. So let's go ahead and do that. This is an IMDb file. So let's call it IMDb titles and we'll upload. While this is running, let's take a look at the CSV file. It has stuff like the ID, title, movie description, so on and so forth. That's already loaded now to Definite, so that's now in your data warehouse. We have IMDb score, ID, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and create a model on this data. So this is going to be selecting everything from that table, and we'll create a model. And what this model does is lets non-technical people interact with the data in your Definite data warehouse just like it was a pivot table or in a spreadsheet. So it gives you like a very UI-driven way to interact with the data. All right, so here's the model that was created. You can see some things like the runtime, the age certification, the release year. All those are added as dimensions. And then for measures, we currently just have the count. Not a whole lot of fields that we could add as measures, but we can do something with this score. So let's go ahead and add a score here. So let's do all right, we got the score added, and let's also add the sum of the votes. So I'll just do this one manually to show how that works. All right, now to use this model, we will jump back to our canvas. I want to see the average score, count of titles, total votes by release year. And I don't want formatting on release year. It is a number, but I want to just show the year without any commas, obviously. So let's jump back to the model. Commas are gone. We can plot this. And let's ask V a question about this data. So 2004, let's check that against our visualization here, and it does look like 2004 had the highest average rating, at least in the data set that we have. Yeah, so if you're looking for a quick way to get started with Definite without connecting to a bunch of integrations, you can just drag and drop a CSV, Excel, kind of any file with data into the app.